Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the scripts for your Google Vids projects. So let's say you've got a Google Vids project open and you want to take advantage of the scripts feature. If you go to View, Show Scripts. And what this will do is this will open up a little window on the right-hand side with the script in it. You can use the script to determine what the voiceover will sound like. If you generate the voiceover using AI, which you can absolutely do, or if you're going to record yourself reading the voiceover, you'll just have a little script in front of you, which is kind of nice to have. But basically, what the script does is it allows you to sort of see and read what you want the voiceover to sound like. What do you want it to say over any individual scene? Which is kind of the nice thing. Every scene has its own script. So when you change scenes, it changes scripts. So if I cycle through this, the script will change, and I can have a script for every individual scene in my Vids project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.